Welcome to NextGen Motor's Auto Edition, your one-stop destination for all things automotive. Here, we bring you detailed insights, expert reviews, and in-depth analysis of the latest vehicles on Indian roads. Whether you're a commercial vehicle enthusiast or a buyer looking for the perfect investment, we've got you covered. So, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon to stay updated with every fresh drop on your favorite machines. The Indian commercial vehicle market has always been dynamic and evolving, driven by factors such as infrastructure growth, last-mile delivery demands, and fuel economy. One name that has consistently stood tall in this space is Ashok Leyland. With a legacy spanning decades, Ashok Leyland continues to be the backbone of India's logistics and transport system. And now, in 2025, the brand is back with a refined and upgraded version of its trusted light commercial vehicle, the Ashok Leyland Guru 2025. For transport business owners, fleet operators, and individual buyers who rely heavily on mid-weight commercial vehicles for everyday transport and delivery, the Guru 2025 brings a breath of fresh air. Built with a focus on performance, fuel efficiency, and low maintenance, this vehicle aims to strike a perfect balance between power and profit, a core demand of India's rapidly growing logistics sector. At first glance, the Ashok Leyland Guru 2025 maintains a design identity that stays true to the brand's rugged yet practical legacy. However, subtle styling changes in this front grille, bumper, and lighting elements offer a refreshed look without deviating from its utilitarian appeal. The proportions remain well balanced, with a clean side profile and solid stance that gives it the road presence one would expect from a reliable LCV. Under the hood, the real magic begins. The Ashok Leyland Guru 2025 is powered by an advanced iGen 6 technology-enabled engine. It's a BS6 Phase 2 compliant powertrain that optimizes combustion for better mileage while ensuring reduced emissions, aligning with the Indian government's latest environmental norms. The three-cylinder, 1.5-liter turbocharged diesel engine is capable of generating around 80 horsepower and 190 newton-meters of torque, ideal for carrying heavy loads even in city traffic and hilly terrain. Fuel efficiency is where the Guru 2025 shines brightly. Ashok Leyland claims that the vehicle delivers a segment-best mileage, making it a favorite for fleet operators who calculate profitability down to the last rupee. This efficiency is achieved through features like intelligent engine calibration, friction reduction technology, and enhanced aerodynamics. Combined with a lightweight chassis, it ensures that every drop of diesel is put to optimum use. The transmission setup is a smooth 5-speed manual gearbox with optimized gear ratios for city and highway usage. Gear shifts feel lighter than its predecessors, and the clutch action is improved for reducing driver fatigue, a big plus when the vehicle is in operation for extended hours. There is also a smart eco switch mode that helps drivers toggle between performance and economy as per the load and road conditions. Ride quality and suspension are significantly improved in the 2025 variant, thanks to the semi-elliptical leaf spring suspension system in the front and rear. The Guru handles rough roads and potholes with confidence. Even with the full load, body roll is minimal, and the steering response is more precise than ever. Braking is handled by a dual-circuit hydraulic brake system with vacuum assist, providing adequate stopping power in city congestion or downhill slopes. In terms of payload capacity, the Guru 2025 offers multiple deck length options with a maximum rated payload of approximately 1,500 to 1,700 kilograms depending on the configuration. It's designed for versatile usage, whether it's transporting FMCG goods, dairy products, LPG cylinders, or construction materials. The strong low body with reinforced cross members ensures durability even under harsh loading cycles. Ashok Leyland has not ignored comfort and ergonomics, either. The cabin is more driver-friendly now, with a spacious layout and improved NVH levels. The dashboard is functional, with easily accessible controls and the new digital instrument cluster that provides information like gear shift advisory, real-time fuel economy, distance to empty, and service reminders. This not only helps drivers monitor performance but also enables smarter driving habits over time. The driver's seat is adjustable and offers decent cushioning for long hours on the road. The tilt-adjustable power steering further adds to the comfort, while the inclusion of mobile charging ports, bottle holders, and an improved VEC system indicates that Ashok Leyland is paying attention to the little things that matter most to day-to-day operators. Safety features are also more robust in the Guru 2025. While ABS remains standard, other additions include seatbelt reminders, high-mounted stop lamps, a reverse parking buzzer, and optional GPS tracking. These improvements help in complying with fleet safety protocols and government transport regulations, especially for school or city-based cargo applications. One of the most underrated features of the Ashok Leyland Guru 2025 is its ease of maintenance. The company has worked to reduce service intervals and increase engine durability. With centralized lubrication points, simplified engine access, and diagnostic error codes, service times are cut down, which directly translates to better vehicle uptime. And that's a huge factor in the world of goods movement. Service network and support play a big role when choosing a commercial vehicle, and Ashok Leyland has one of the widest after-sales service networks in the country. Whether you're in a metro city or a remote town, spare parts and service technicians are within reach. The brand also offers extended warranty packages, annual maintenance contracts, and on-road assistance, all of which enhance peace of mind for business owners. From a pricing perspective, the Ashok Leyland Guru 2025 is competitively placed, with an ex-showroom price starting between a superscript 18 to a superscript 19.5 lakhs, depending on configuration and state taxes. It offers solid value for money. When you consider the cost per kilometer of operation, the overall return on investment over 3 to 5 years becomes one of the best in its class. Ashok Leyland also offers attractive financing schemes through its Leyland Finance division, helping MSMEs and small businesses acquire vehicles with minimum down payment and flexible MEs. For businesses running large fleets, there are bulk discounts, fleet management support, and digital telematics integration, making it easier to monitor, track, and maintain multiple vehicles across states. Let's talk about technology integration. The 2025 Guru now comes with Smart Alert technology that connects the vehicle to an online dashboard for real-time diagnostics, alerts, trip reports, driver behavior, and fuel usage data. Fleet operators can access this via mobile apps or web dashboards, enabling better decision-making and cost control. This type of digital enablement is slowly becoming the new standard in commercial mobility. So, who is the Ashok Leyland Guru 2025 made for? Essentially, it targets small to medium enterprises, logistics firms, retailers, and anyone who needs a reliable goods carrier with minimal downtime and running costs. Its versatility across use cases, rural, urban, and industrial, ensures that it appeals to a wide audience. Whether you're delivering in congested city lanes or navigating bumpy rural roads, the Guru adapts with ease. User feedback from early adopters and trial users across major cities such as Pune, Hyderabad, Lucknow, and Coimbatore has been largely positive. They report noticeable improvements in engine response, reduced noise, and a smoother drive. What stands out in reviews is the vehicle's ability to sustain heavy loads without compromising on balance or fuel economy. When compared to rivals like the Tata Intra V30, Mahindra JL, and Eicher Pro 2049, the Guru holds its own with superior service economics, a robust chassis, and trusted after-sales backup. While competitors offer more plush cabins or aggressive styling, Ashok Leyland banks on long-term durability, technical simplicity, and total cost of ownership advantages. One of the lesser-known but highly appreciated elements of the Guru 2025 is its green credentials. The company has made a concerted effort to reduce carbon emissions and optimize combustion. With sustainability gaining importance in logistics contracts, having a BS6 Phase 2 compliant vehicle helps logistics players secure more business in environmentally conscious sectors like pharma and dairy. Customization options for the Guru 2025 include refrigerated van bodies, high-side cargo decks, and even tankers for specialized applications. This factory-backed customization reduces the burden of third-party alterations and ensures compliance with road safety norms. Overall, the Ashok Leyland Guru 2025 is a smart evolution of a dependable platform. It doesn't try to reinvent the wheel but improves upon the fundamentals that matter most: reliability, efficiency, serviceability, and long-term value. In an economy where margins are thin and uptime is king, such a vehicle can make the difference between profit and loss for a small business. With each passing year, the demand for agile, fuel-efficient, and technologically backed commercial vehicles will continue to grow. Ashok Leyland, with the Guru 2025, proves that it's ready to meet this challenge head-on, without compromising on what matters most to its customers. For those looking to upgrade or expand their fleet in 2025, this could be the ideal choice. Thanks for tuning into NextGen Motor's Auto Edition, where performance meets precision. If you found this video informative and useful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from this detailed review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our future updates. Got questions about the Ashok Leyland Guru 2025 or want us to cover another commercial vehicle? Drop it in the comments below. We read every one of them. Until next time, drive safe, stay informed, and keep exploring with NextGen Motor's Auto Edition.